Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video we have a subject that's kind of important for those of you who want to use their Android phone as a desktop PC, okay? So you can run the command line, the Unix command line on your Android phone. So you have to install an app called termux, and the app allows you to use the Unix commands and install Unix and GNU software on your Android phone. All you have to run is package install and the name of the software. For this example, I'm going to install Nick2 because we have touched on hacking software previously on this channel. So I'm gonna run that, and as you can see, it's going to try and install that. So it's unable to locate that, but you can install any software you like, okay, as long as it's Unix and GNU software. I have already installed Nmap and a few software, and I even have changed the shell. As you can see, I am running ZSH. So the Z shell, echo $0 and press enter. Okay, as you can see, I am running the ZSH shell instead of the bash, which comes by default on this app. So things you should know about: you can install a code editor such as Vim and Python and a lot of software. Okay, I have installed indeed I have installed Python and Vim. So as you can see, I am inside of the Python shell, and I can run Vim and edit code from there and wherever. Okay, so you can do all that kind of stuff. You can even CD into your SD card and start doing some modification over there. Okay, so ls -all. As you can see, I have my backups over here, Viber, and every folder I kind of have access to. Okay, I can even SSH into a remote server. If I press enter, you can see I have installed OpenSSH, which is very useful. The one thing I was to point out is that this app really works good if you have root access. Okay, I do not. I did not root my phone. Actually, I couldn't root my phone. I didn't find the appropriate method to find to root my phone. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys find it useful. Okay, so see you guys later. Bye bye.